بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 18b on med. So, the next type of med we're going to learn is med lazim. So, when an alif med, ya med, or waw med is followed by a letter with sukoon or shadda, then it is med lazim. Its med sign also has a pointed end. We must stretch this sound 6 harakat, not 5 or 4, and not 2. Now let's practice some frequently occurring words in the Quran that have med lazim in them. Also, repeat after me twice. So, in this word, there is a sukoon letter after alif med. Wait, where is the alif med? Well, standing fatha is also alif med, right? And also you can know that this is med lazim is because there is the pointy sign on the alif med. And we read it like this. Al-ana. Repeat after me twice. Al-ana. 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 Jannun. 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 ولا الضالين ولا الضالين ولا الضالين. That's all for now. And did you notice that the lesson was so short and the med was so long? Anyways, in the next lesson, I will bring to you another med. So, stay tuned. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.